The best Arctic versus Yeti alternative cooler comparison. Is Arctic really as good as Yeti? Hard to say. What we know for sure is that many buyers and specialists deem Arctic coolers as the best Yeti alternative, despite the fact that the brand lost significant ground when the manufacturer reduced their warranty period. Recommended to be used as benches, step stools, tabletops, and cutting boards as well, Arctic coolers remain some of the most durable and practical products in their category. They used to have two weaknesses. One was the unsealed gasket, but the manufacturer replaced it with a new one that provides flawless airtight sealing. The second one, still valid today, is the not so attractive design. However, the rougher lines should not impact your outdoor adventures, considering that your beverage, food, or fish will remain cold for longer than a Yeti could hold them. Perhaps the best Arctic versus Yeti alternative cooler is the 45-quart model. It's slightly cheaper than its Yeti Tundra counterpart, of similar size and of slightly higher weight. Additionally, the Arctic 45-quart cooler manages to hold ice for longer in similar circumstances. That should definitely count for something.